If you like jalapeno peppers and you're looking for a delicious appetizer, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am going to be making a chicken jalapeno popper dip. This can be, actually we're eating it for lunch today, but it's a great appetizer. It's perfect for any kind of party, especially football season. This is a really good one. If you have a lot of jalapeno peppers that you grow in your garden, because I grow them all the time, this is a perfect dish to use up some of them. And that's my oven. I'll tell you now then, I have set it at 400, so it was preheating and it's at temperature right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use up these couple peppers that I have and make this dip, and hubby and I are gonna have it for lunch. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, we have some bacon bits, some rotisserie chicken. I buy the big package at Costco, so I'm not using all that chicken, I'll just be using a little bit of it. I have Mexican blend style cheese, some Ritz crackers, sour cream, granulated garlic or garlic powder. I use margarine or butter, 2 scallions, some cream cheese, and I have 4 jalapeno peppers from my garden. If you like it really, really hot, you can add more. If you like it milder, just add less. So friends, this is all that we'll be using. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, as you saw, not a lot of ingredients, but it's gonna be delicious. So let me go ahead, turn the camera down, and we will put this dish together. All right, my friends, so I had my cream cheese sitting out to soften. I didn't leave it out as long as I should have because I had just kind of decided I was going to originally do this tomorrow. I decided to do it today. So it's been out for about an hour maybe. I got my little blender here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of sour cream. Now I'm adding a cup because I am doing chicken. I have about a pound of chicken going in here, or 16 ounces of chicken. If you're not putting the chicken in, I would probably just do about a half a cup of this. Okay. And then I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of garlic. You can also add onion powder in here if you'd like, that would be okay. I'm adding some green onion. I'm gonna add half of this in here and half on top. But you can do, if you don't want to do green onion, you can do some onion powder, and that's fine. So I'm going to mix this up first, and then I'm going to fold in the rest of the ingredients. So let me go ahead and get my blender on, and then we'll go ahead and mix it all up. Alrighty. I got Mr. Chase sitting down here because I have chicken. And he is begging. Alrighty, that down. And like I said, I'm going to do half of my scallions in here. The other half I'm just going to put on top just for a little bit of decoration. Have my jalapeno peppers. Put all of them in there. I cut 1 jalapeno pepper. I took an extra one, so I used a 5th one. Just made a couple slices just to put on top for decoration. And then I have my bag of bacon bits. This is a 2.5 ounce bag. I'm gonna put most of this in here as well. Just leave a little bit for the top for, you know, decoration. I have my Mexican cheese. I'm gonna add about a cup of Mexican cheese in there. That's one of my big handfuls. And I'm going to mix this up first, and then I'm going to add in my chicken. I just find, for me, especially my hands, because I have arthritis, it's easier to mix a little bit at a time. And then this is a little flexible. So I might have a hard time with this one. And then I'll add the chicken in. It's already smelling good. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken. Do a little bit. Alrighty. Add the rest in. Yum. Oh, shoot. Shoot. You can see why I said to add the whole cup of sour cream. But if you don't have the chicken, I mean, you could do the whole cup. It'll be a little bit creamy, or, you know, like runnier, but. Alrighty, let me go ahead and grab my pan. We'll put it in our pan and then finish making this up. Alright, my friends, I have an 8x8 pan. I'm gonna give it a quick spray. I did have to switch my out my spatula just because the other one kept bending on me. There we go. Spread that out and then we'll put the rest in. This is gonna be so good. The last of it in. All right. There we go. It doesn't help for the fact that I worked out on Thursday and we did all upper body, arms and stuff. And let me tell you, my shoulders and arms are killing me. She worked us hard. All right. Okay. Now let me just get my hands washed up and then we will finish up with this and get her in the oven. All right, my friends, I have a half a stick of butter. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and melt it. Then I have a half a sleeve of Ritz crackers in a zippy Ziploc bag. Just crushing it up like that. Just like that. Let the air out a little bit. Okay. And then we'll take the butter out, mix this up, and top it. So we'll go ahead and turn the camera down so we are ready when the time comes. Alrighty, we have our butter melted and our crackers. So we're going to go ahead and mix that up really well, just like that. Okay. And we're just going to spread that out on top. A little piece there. Okay. I'm just going to smooth it out, just like that. Then I'm just going to take just a little tiny bit of cheese, not much, just kind of, you see it's not much at all, just a little tiny bit, like that. And we're going to take our not leftover, our scallions that we set aside. Just sprinkle the rest on top. And then the last is our bacon bits. We're just gonna put that little bit that we put aside on top like that. Okay. And then if you're gonna serve this for a party or something, you can just make it look nice and add a couple little jalapenos on top. Do 3, 5, however you want to do it. I think I like the 3. Just like that. Alrighty, now let's go ahead. My oven is preheated to 300. We're gonna put it in and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in. And then we'll check on it. All right, my friends. Ooh, it smells so good. Look. Look, look, look. I wish you guys could smell this. All right, my friends, I just took some out the plate and I touched it. And it's warm, but I think it should be in for a little bit longer because I have quite a bit of chicken in there. So I put it back in for about another 5 minutes or so. I definitely think it should go for about 20 minutes, not 15. So we'll do the taste test in a few. Alrighty. Oh, look at that goodness. Ooh. Smells so good. All right, my friends, 20 minutes was perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead. You can use crackers. We're probably gonna use Ritz crackers. You can use like nice crusty bread. That would be really good. Or honestly, you can just eat it with a fork. So let's give it a try. It's so good. Oh, this is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Perfect amount of jalapenos in there. It's not spicy. If you want it really spicy, add more, go ahead. Less, just do less. So friends, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.